Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to delve into the crucial yet exciting aspects of disaster recovery maintenance planning. We'll be exploring how to be vigilant about potential disasters, the importance of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, and how crucial it is to have a solid plan in place for your business. Stay tuned to learn about the steps to prepare your physical assets, power source duplication, and the critical nature of preventive maintenance. Now let's dive into the subject. It might seem a bit daunting to think about potential disasters, but having a solid plan in place is absolutely critical. It could be the difference between staying in business or not. One great tip is to use a CMMS to track and manage your backup and emergency equipment and required preventive maintenance. First things first, a good disaster recovery plan begins way before a disaster strikes. If your business relies heavily on data, you'll want a data center that keeps your electronic information accessible at all times. If you're a property manager, you'll want to prepare your physical assets for a potential disaster, like taking steps to secure your property before a major storm. Regardless of your business type, you'll want to have a written action plan, trained employees, and up-to-date maintenance work on emergency equipment. Next up, let's talk about power sources. It's crucial to have duplicate power available for your critical operations. This could mean investing in emergency generators or discussing backup procedures with your data center providers. You want to ensure that equipment or inventory that requires climate-controlled environments can access that power in a disaster. Now, on to preventive maintenance. It's not just important, it's critical. Keeping your assets and equipment up and running is, of course, a top priority. But when it comes to disaster preparedness, it's even more essential to ensure that your disaster equipment is functional. It's easy to invest in emergency equipment, extra power, and fire suppression supplies and assume you're ready for a disaster. But you should be testing these items on a fixed schedule to make sure they are still in good working order. Finally, let's not forget about test runs. Just like school children practice fire drills, you should schedule mock disasters to test your staff, systems, and processes. Simulate a potential disaster such as a hurricane or fire. Then, have your disaster recovery team go through the steps of securing critical equipment and data. Document any issues that arose during the test run and make improvements as needed. While a test run can't include all the potential details that may come up in an actual disaster, every bit of preparedness will help. So there you have it, a guide to creating a robust disaster recovery maintenance plan. Remember, the key is forethought, duplication of power sources, and preventive maintenance testing. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to being prepared for any disaster that may come your way. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the importance of disaster recovery maintenance planning, the role of a CMMS, and the critical steps to prepare for potential disasters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your preparedness is our priority. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.